The date gets closer, so you can stock up on snacks and beverages, but a comet is coming. A big and brilliant comet arriving in November 2013. It could potentially be 15 times brighter than the moon and visible in broad daylight over the U.S. We will be your Comet Network, and we'll keep you updated.
I'm sure you just finished watching that clip. That's a little intro to what's going to happen January 11th, 1 to 3 p.m. here at Liquid Energy. The workshop is called Planet X Nibiru Return to the Gods. This is one of those meetings you won't want to miss. You saw the clip there. There's something in our solar system. There's something that's changing our weather. We're having rocks being hit into our atmosphere more than ever now. Is it possible that there is a planet that comes within 20 million miles of the Earth every 3,600 years? Now, some have been calling it Comet I-Sun, some call it Planet X. According to the Sumerian text, it's actually called Nibiru. And there is the claim that we are from this planet. So, because it's coming in so close, why is the government preparing like there's going to be some huge disaster? Could this be the return? Is there life on Nibiru? Do they have a message for us? And how do you fit into that? Well, all these questions are going to be answered on January 11th, 1 to 3. So it'd be real nice to see you there. Please book in advance, because this meetup is going to book fast. Okay? Also, coming is January 25th from 11 a.m. to 6 p.m. This is the Emotional Reframe Workshop. Of everything that we've been doing about love, the love frequency, there are certain things in your body, in your experiences, that is blocking you from being all that you can be. And when I say all that you can be, that means loving yourself fully, unconditionally, complete acceptance. You see, acceptance comes with 3 things. How you react, number 1. After. Because whatever experience you have, be it dramatic, fun, whatever it is, you have 3 things to look at it. Any experience, you can't change it, you can't erase it, or you can't forget it. How you accept everything in your life is the key. How we're going to be doing this, we're going to be triggering certain things in your life, in your experience. You see, everything in your experience is there for you. Everything to show you how to completely awaken. Let me give you an example. Let's just say you had a relationship, and in this relationship, the person hurt you. And maybe they dropped you. Just all different circumstances. We're going to find out with you, but let's just use that. Instead of feeling rejection from this person, what we're going to do is we're going to reframe that rejection to opportunity. Because your love frequency is so high, you see what might be happening is you're actually rejecting them. You're actually taking them out of your life in order for you, number 1, to love yourself even more, and number 2, to allow that next person who you'll be better prepared for and who's on a higher plane to come into your life. So instead of feeling rejection from John, what you're going to do is feel acceptance for the circumstance. Also, some of the things that we're going to be looking at, and a lot of things is with how relationships trigger, okay? And also how we view the opposite sex. We're going to really get into that. So when you saw the movie and you saw Steve McQueen, and then you saw a guy who looked like Steve McQueen, but he turned out to be Steve McMean, okay? Or let's say you guys, you were looking for Angelina Jolie, but when you got to marry her, you found out she was Angelina Jolie, okay? What we're going to do is we're going to be reframing the emotional experiences of you and turning it into a reframe so that it can be applied to make it your life even better, not worse. Every experience in your life is to trigger you to love yourself in a greater capacity. So, January 11th, Planet X, Nibiru, Return of the Gods. January 25th, the Emotional Reframe Workshop. We're also going to call it a workout, so you make sure you come in your comfortable clothes. You might want to bring a sack lunch. This will be a great time as we get clear for the coming year. January 11th, January 25th. Put these on your calendars. Your life will never be the same. This is Michael Diamond. I will see you soon.